Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking flight with the all-new TL16 GPS RC Drone, a foldable powerhouse designed for both beginners and enthusiasts who want the perfect balance between performance, precision, and cinematic clarity. The TL16 GPS is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD motorized adjustable camera, giving you crisp, wide-angle aerial footage that captures every stunning detail from above. Whether it's a smooth landscape pan, a quick selfie, or a dynamic follow shot, this drone delivers pro-level visuals in every frame. With 5G FPV Wi-Fi transmission, your real-time video feed is faster, clearer, and more stable than ever, giving you a true first-person flight experience right from your phone screen. The brushless motors give the TL16 incredible power and durability, all while staying quiet and low maintenance. And thanks to optical flow positioning, you'll enjoy steady hovering and smooth controls, whether you're flying indoors or outdoors. The TL16's intelligent GPS system keeps your flight safe and effortless. Use features like GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight to capture creative shots hands-free. And if your signal drops or battery runs low, the drone automatically returns home, so you never lose your gear or your footage. For beginners, it's a dream to fly. With one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and altitude hold, you'll master the controls in no time. 3 adjustable speed levels make it fun for everyone, from first-time flyers to seasoned pilots. The built-in 50x digital zoom lets you explore distant views without losing clarity, perfect for landscapes, inspection shots, or close-ups of nature's details. With up to 15 minutes of flight time, a rechargeable Li-Polymer battery, and fast charging capability, you'll spend more time capturing and less time waiting. Its foldable and portable design makes it perfect for travel. Compact, lightweight, and ready to go wherever your adventures take you. The TL16 GPS RC Drone combines power, intelligence, and creativity into one sleek design. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or enjoying a weekend flight, this drone makes every moment take off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest drone and gadget reviews right here on Caring Guy.